this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps. We're going to be using the gel press, our brayer, stencil of your choice, and we're going to be using Elements ink pads. So this is Sundance and we've got Olive here as well. And I'm going to start with Olive and I'm just going to transfer some of that lovely green onto the background. I've got one of the floral stencils here, but as I say, you can use whichever stencil you prefer. I've got Sundance, so I'm going to ink up the brayer and I'm going to transfer the yellow and then remembering to turn that over onto the gel press, clean the brayer, and then I'm going to just run that over the top. Take that off, and then taking a piece of multifarious card, I'm going to just line that up and pop it over the top like so. Give that a smooth over. And let's see what we've got. And you can see that lovely background there, just nice and subtle. And that's why I've used the green and the yellow, because I know they're not vivid colours, because I'm going to be stamping over the top now. I'm using one of our fairies, this is Celeste, and I'm going to ink her up in the twilight. This is a lovely blue. This is quite a nice blue, it's a very dark blue. So make sure you've completely covered her, and then let's pop that down in the middle. So give her a good press. And then let's take that off. So I've got a moon mask here. I'm just going to pop that, and then I've got Monarch here and our stencil brush. I don't want too much ink on. You just need to build your colour gradually. Working your way round. There we go. I'm going to add some foliage now. So I've got a couple of little stamps here, and I'm going to go back to the Monarch . Using a slightly darker colour around the edge there. And then I've got another little pound stamp here. And what colour shall we use? We'll use a combination of the Monarch and Glamour. So it's quite a bright colour this, so I'm going to just stamp off first. And then I'm going to just stamp the monarch just a couple of times. So I'm using the stencil brush now, and I'm just going to blend in a little bit of colour at the bottom there. I'm working my way around the edge. And let's just bring some of that lovely glamour in as well. So I'm going to go around the edge of the moon using one of our glitter pens. Just to give it a little bit of sparkle. I might just put a little bit on her wings as well. Now, this is a transparent gel pen with sparkle in, so it's great for adding a little bit of glitter, but it doesn't disturb the image underneath. I'm going to try and hold it in the light so you can see that. So we've got some of our Posca pens here. I'm going to add these as well. I know I use these quite a lot now. I just think that they add a little bit of magic. I'm going to use some glitter. So I've got my glue pen here. And then I'm also going to use it to come down the card as well. So again, tiny little dots. I think we might go with the blue actually. Let's go with some blue. And I'm just going to sprinkle that. And there we have our lovely Celeste. And you can still see that fabulous texture in the background from the stencil that we used. Okay, well, thanks so much for joining me again today, guys. I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourself. You take care, and we'll see you real soon. Bye for now.